Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so here we are at Michael's, so let's walk around and see what we can find, guys. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while or even from the very beginning, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, I can't really say that I've ever been in this aisle, but I'm very impressed at the things that they have. And if you can get a Michael's coupon, pretty much their prices are decent. And I think I like all of their Cricut stuff that I can go ahead and customize. And look at all of their storage. This is great for parties, this aisle right here, and I hope you're enjoying it. Now, don't forget to head on over to my community tab, where there I have my August calendar of open collaborations. Now, I would love for you to head on over to my other two channels. So I have Simply Grace Lifestyle, which is an overflow of this one right here. And that's more home life. And then we have Moments of Grace, where I have my whole school journey, and you don't want to miss that, guys. So I'm going to link those channels below. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.